Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys what happens and how you can fix the error of Facebook not being available for integration on Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now, if I go ahead and click on sales channels and search for Facebook, as you can see, I have the Facebook and Instagram integration right over here. Now, what might happen for you is this install button over here will show that you cannot install that product. And I'm sorry if you heard the noise from the motorcycle. I really can't do anything about it. Now, if this is grayed out and you can't install it, there is one most likely thing that is happening, and that is that the Facebook Marketplace or the Facebook Shop is an option that is not available in your region. In that case, if you're living somewhere where Facebook Shop is not available, you're not going to be able to install it. However, you can trick the site to change that. If you go ahead and install a VPN, that can change your location or change your IP to a location outside of your country and within a region which does have that available. Now, once you have that available through the use of a VPN, and you can find several free VPNs or paid VPNs on the internet. I'm not sure exactly how safe they are, but they exist if you really need to install the integration. You can also use Opera, which does have a built-in VPN, but once you do that, just click install here and install it as you would any other service. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.